This is our new inverted all-mountain chassis, specifically for enduro racing. It's coming out for 27.5 wheels. It's going to be 160 millimeters of travel. You'll be able to put a 29er wheel in it at 140 travel. This piece is basically everything we can do in a fork. One of the benefits of the inverted design is by having the stanchions on the bottom, your seals are here with all of your oil bath on top of the seals. This makes the fork nice and soft, so your seals aren't usually drying out like a traditional fork. The other nice feature for that is because the dropouts are bolted onto the stanchions, you can actually remove the dropout and remove your seal off the fork without disassembling the fork to clean the seals out and replace your oil bath fluid. For the X-Fusion fans that are familiar with our stuff, you're gonna find our high-low speed HLR damper. So you're gonna get your high and low speed compression adjustments on the bottom of your fork here. This works the exact same as it has in the Vengeance for the last few years and what you're going to find in the downhill fork as well. Rebound on top, it's a traditional air design on the top with a bottom out air cartridge on the bottom. So you can adjust your air spring rate to be really rampy or full linear depending on what your riding style and where you're at. Our lower legs are actually keyed into the upper stanchions here with 3 keyways to help keep the fork nice and rigid so it's not going to move around on you when you're on trail. Another big feature to the fork is the way we actually did the offset in the crown. Instead of moving the legs forward, we angled them forward so that the fork is actually approaching the impacts as opposed to hitting the impacts. Helps with the sensitivity and the suppleness quite a bit. Fork is coming in at 4.5 pounds. It's going to retail for $1,776 out of the US. If you buy it at $1,900, you'll be offered a lifetime service plan. They'll be available within the next month or two.